I have this red light on my Whirlpool refrigerator. This is the kind of refrigerator it is, and I will put the model number at the end of this video. Flashing red light. I'm going to go to options, ice maker. Just hit it and turn it back off. Back on. This is how you turn it off. Hit ice maker to turn it off, and hit ice maker temperature here to turn it back on. This ice maker off, and this ice maker back on. And eventually the red light should go off, go back where it says back at the ice type area here. And we're going to see if that works in about 30 minutes. Thanks.